Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to install uh, Age of Empire on Windows 11. So guys, before starting, if you're new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. First of all guys, you have to open the search section and just type store and just go to Microsoft Store over here and just search for the game Age of Empire. And here you can see that guys, the Age of Empire game. So and here you can see that if you want to play, you have to spend right now I'm in India, so I have to spend 2,924 rupees. And you can also play with the Game Pass. And so if you have a Game Pass guys, you don't have to spend money, you can directly play with the Game Pass itself. So yeah, that's it, that's how you can play it. And but and but if you want to play for free guys, then it's not a good option because it can bring a lot of virus onto your PC, which can damage your PC. So it's better to spend this uh, small money instead of damaging your expensive PC or a laptop. So hope you like it guys. Thanks for watching.